Premium tools and services to consider. Every expert needs a toolbox to help him or her into making the best out of their expertise, and YouTube marketing experts are no exception. But coming up with a really useful YouTube marketing toolbox is a really daunting task that requires lots of trial and error. And that is why we are going to show you the best tools and services available to YouTube marketers with a curated list of tools that you can use to get ahead of your competition, without having to deplete your budget and time while trying every tool in the market until you find the best ones, because we already did it for you. Birdsong YouTube Analytics. Birdsong's amazing analytics tool is a kind of tool that you need to automate your competitor spying tasks. Competitive analysis is important to apply on any YouTube marketing campaign because it will allow you to identify what is working best for top marketing channels. Having this information at hand will help you to better engage with your visitors, and also will teach you proven ways to better attract new viewers by reverse engineering what has worked for many other successful YouTube marketers. The Birdsong YouTube Analytics tool will give you access to over 30 types of metrics in easy-to-read tables and charts to analyze account data that will allow you to check the number of views, likes, and comments that your most successful competitors are getting on their videos, and to get a data analysis report that you can use on your offline research. What this all means is that it will allow you to know the best times to upload videos in order to get liked, the best days to upload certain types of videos, the best times to upload and get comments, to know how video duration affects engagement in certain niches, and which types of words are captioned the most, among many other metrics. Canva. We mentioned in our past videos in this training that there is a graphic design aspect to YouTube marketing that has to be approached with an artful eye, because catchy and attention-grabbing thumbnails are pretty much guaranteed to get lots of clicks to your videos on searches and on recommended video feeds. And the good news is that designing awesome-looking and high-converting thumbnails for your videos is a very easy process when you know the right tools to use, and Canva is our choice in that department, because Canva will allow you to use custom thumbnail templates that you can use to create your thumbnails in record time. Canva is a premium tool that will allow you to create amazing video images on a freemium model, which means that you can create and save your thumbnails for free, but you can also pay for professionally made templates and cards. DrumUp. Have you ever found yourself ready to post your awesome new marketing content on social media, and then you realize the enormous and time-consuming effort that you will have to put in towards posting it on each one of your social media channels? Even just thinking about it can be pretty intimidating, but we have found a solution to that with DrumUp, a social media automation tool that you can use to schedule your new videos to be promoted on your social media channels with a few clicks of your mouse. It will allow you to add multiple Twitter accounts, multiple Facebook accounts, and a LinkedIn account, and then to promote your marketing videos more effectively through its one-click schedule feature. Full-screen media's end cards template. Let's not forget about video annotations to get viewers to take action on your videos so you can get more likes and subscribers. And for that, we recommend you to use the end cards template from Full-Screen Media. This template offers you customizable calls to action that include a logo button, a subscribe button, and additional thumbnail image buttons that you can use to insert recommended videos the easy way.